guys, I'm glad to have you here in lesson 4, which is about the mechanisms of evolution. In this lesson, we're going to explain the mechanisms that produce change in populations from generation to generation. According to evolutionary theory, every organism from humans to beetles to plants to bacteria share a common ancestor. Millions of years of evolutionary pressure caused some organisms to die while others survived, leaving Earth with the diverse life forms we have today. Genetic variation is a key ingredient of evolution. Look and analyze the picture. What makes these dogs different from other breed of dogs like bulldogs, Siberian Husky, German Shepherd, etc.? Excellent! Dogs differ from each other in appearance, size, temperament, behavior, and specific traits due to selective breeding for various purposes over generations. These differences distinguish one breed from another. A population with no genetic variation is prone to extinction, but there are few organisms that seem to stop evolving long ago. They are called living fossils. One of these is the horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs have undergone a little morphological evolution during their 480 million history. The fossil record shows them to be virtually unchanged. Evolutionary biologists have written that to gaze upon a horseshoe crab is to glimpse a prehistoric Ordovician of nearly 500 million years ago. Let's talk about these mechanisms of evolution. Artificial selection is when humans choose which plants or animals to breed based on certain characteristics they want. For example, farmers might breed cows that produce more milk or dogs with specific colors or behaviors. It's like picking out the best pieces of a puzzle to create a new picture. Natural selection is like the nature's way of picking the best fit. It happens when certain traits help an organism survive better in its environment, so these traits get passed down to the next generation. It's like a survival game where the fittest players get to pass on their skills to their kids. Genetic drift refers to the random fluctuation in allele frequencies within a population due to chance events. Imagine that in one generation, 2 beetles have survived and produced offsprings. Several green beetles were killed when someone stepped on them and had no offspring. The next generation would have more brown beetles than the previous generation. Mutation is like a small change or mistake that happens in the genetic instructions or DNA of an organism. It's like a tiny spelling error in a book that can lead to different traits or characteristics in living organisms. Recombination is like shuffling a deck of cards, but with genes. During reproduction, genetic material from both parents gets mixed up, creating offspring with combinations of traits from both parents. It's like mixing paint colors to create new shades. Let's have an activity. I will show you some illustrations and you will describe this and identify which mechanism of evolution is being shown. You got it? Great job! Before I end this lesson, let me remind you that we've gone through a series of evolution. That's why you are perfect the way you are today. That's it, and see you again next time.